And now we have that rapid round of question, which
Yes.
we bring it up like math, or you have to sometimes debunk the math and all that, right? So
Okay.
now IAS or IPS, which one you will choose?
If my interest is administration, IAS. My interest is policing, IPS.
Excellent. So one subject every aspirant must master.
Polity.
Okay, excellent. A newspaper or monthly magazine?
Both are good, but newspaper is essential. Second priority, monthly magazine.
Excellent. Coaching or self-study?
Self-study with guidance will help a lot.
Okay. Failure is the end of the road or is a beginning?
Never, never. It is learning. It is always learning.
Okay. One habit of toppers.
Consistency.
Consistency. Okay. One mistake to avoid.
As I said, overloading resources. We should not overload too many resources.
Best time to study.
When I am most focused,
Okay. Okay.
it
Good.
could be morning, evening, afternoon, anytime. But when I'm more focused, I'll study.
Yeah. But actually, it could also be changed, student to student. Some
Yes,
are
yes, yes.
early
It depends,
birds. Some
depends.
are,
Yes,
yeah, correct.
absolutely.
Yeah. So, is the optional subject interest or scoring? Which one is important in optional subject? Is it to study or it is just follow the passion?
Yeah, it's always interest comes first. Plus the scoring potential we have to check, but it is interest first.
So, what message you have for IAS aspirant who have
Yes.
successfully, clear, and congratulations for all of them? And what
Yeah.
message you have said?
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I always believe serving the society will give us utmost satisfaction. So this IAS, IPS posts are one of the best opportunities to help the people of the country, to become better, to give a better life for a poor person, to help somebody who is downtrodden, to become a policy maker. This is a great opportunity for the youngsters to become officers and serve the society. All they have to do is please stay consistent, believe in yourself, and never give up. You will achieve success. And wish you all the best.
Wonderful, wonderful. Lots of students dream of becoming IAS, but only few make it. What separates them, and what advice you have them? The same like mantra of good thing attributes you have said it. And now, will you please also give us some light on the topic, how they can make it out, right? So without losing the hope.
Yes, yes, yes. I said, uh, the motivation, there should be something called as purpose. I said, if I have the purpose, this purpose is going to give me passion. If I have the passion, my passion is going to drive me. So have a purpose, have a clear-cut purpose that you're going to serve the society. Have that passion, work on the passion. You're going to achieve success. It's as simple as that.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much for all your time and wonderful, wonderful discussion we had today. And really, really wanted to thank you from my bottom of
Thank
my heart on Syed Saddam Bashas for sharing the practical guidance and motivation to all the IAS inspiration.
you. Thank you
And
so
we look
much.
for, I mean, you are a super busy person and then still you came forward and given that. So really, really, you will get the credit from the God directly and the content what we are going to put it. So it will become a important education content down the line, right? So I really wanted to thank you. Any final message from your side before we end the
Thank you
call?
so much, Abrar bhai. Thanks a lot. It was really good to interact with you. My final message is we are here on the earth for a purpose. The simple purpose, what I can understand, is serve the society in whatever capacity you can. So, all of us youngsters, all of us have a responsibility on this earth to help people. So, let us help people in whatever way we can. Okay. And
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you so
thank
much for all your wisdom and thoughts and for sharing
thank you.
with us. So
Thank you.
I'll connect this content to your YouTube channel also as well. Wish you
Yes.
have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so
Sure.
much.
Thanks a lot. Same to you. Same
Take
to you.
care.
It was glad
Bye
meeting
bye.
you. Thanks a lot. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
bye bye.